The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy A10e for crooked wireless. So the Galaxy A10e recently have released the crooked wireless, so this is a new phone for crooked, of course. So it's pretty nice. This is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. This is part of the Galaxy A series from Samsung, of course. So nice looking phone, nice wallpaper and stuff like that. Pretty decent specs for what it is. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. So the Galaxy A10e on credit wireless is $149.99. So so it's $149.99 if you're bringing phone number over, or if you need a new phone number or whatever. So that's for new customers. Current customers is also $149 as well. So it doesn't matter if you're a new customer or not. It's $149.99 for the phone. So this is the front right there. You have your takeout nuts, your power and bang keys out. Power on the right side of the phone. The bevel and charcoal black there. Looks really nice. Wallpaper is very colorful and vibrant. It does have one UI from Samsung, so it's really nice. The right side of the phone, like I said, power and bang keys. On the back of the Galaxy A10e, you guys have the camera plus crooked logo and your Samsung logo, alright? And I think your SIM card is on the left side of the phone, I think. So yeah. So the Galaxy A10e has the slim, sleek feel of a flagship smartphone with performance and reliability of a brand you trust at a price that's easy on the wallet. It's 5.83-inch HD plus screen with edge-to-edge integrated display packs a first-class viewing experience into an easy-to-hold frame. Make everyday moments special with an 8-megapixel camera to capture crisp, clear photos in the light, and with up to 32 GB of internal storage plus expandable memory. With optional micro SD card, you will have enough space for all your apps, pics, and videos. The Galaxy A10e is a great all-around value from a trusted brand, alright? So pretty good there. Like I said, this is a budget phone. The specs on that are pretty decent for what it is. You have a 5.83-inch display, it's HD plus, 18:9, that is 720p, octa-core processor, 4G LTE, it's an Exynos processor, and then 8-megapixel rear-facing camera with LED flash, 5-megapixel front-facing camera there, 3000 mAh battery with power saving mode, up to 32 GB of user storage. Expandable up to an additional 5 GB of micro SD card, HD voice, you have HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, hotspot, advanced messaging capable, and you have Android 9 Pie with one UI on there, like I said. So pretty good specs, and it also has 2 GB of RAM, I believe. So it has an edge-to-edge display. Enjoy a bold, bright viewing experience on the large 5.83-inch HD plus screen that still fits comfortably in your hand. With the infinity display that goes edge to edge, you can see more of an article or social media feed without scrolling, and TV shows and movies become an immersive viewing experience. Battery life, no need to worry about constantly charging your phone. The Galaxy A10e gives you more time to post, talk, text, and share with friends, thanks to the long-lasting 3000 mAh battery. All the things that matter, up to 30 GB of storage and additional micro SD card support means you have plenty of memory for apps, photos, videos, and more. Make life easier with Bixby Home, quickly set reminders, create notes with quick voice dictation, or even ask for dinner recommendations, or put your Galaxy A10e in an easy mode for an easy to see, streamlined, and simplified experience. So you do have that on here. You have Bixby Home, and you have easy note as well if you guys are interested in that. Specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone. The Galaxy A10e has Android Pie with one UI, 5.79 inches in height, 2.73 inches in width, and 0.32 inches depth. The screen is 5.83 inches, HD plus 720p HD plus. 32 gigabytes of internal storage with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes. You do have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and Type-C charging. You have an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera and a 5 megapixel front camera there. You have an octa-core processor. It's an Exynos 3000 mAh battery, and you do have advanced messaging capable as well. So that's pretty cool. So that's for the Galaxy A10e. You guys got like in your cases and screen protectors and stuff. Y'all guys can go to Amazon, type in Galaxy A10e to get accessories for cheaper. So they have cases on here, we got like the ZZA case and all that. So that's all I got here is cases, but you guys will get more accessories for the Galaxy A10e. Go to Amazon and you guys will get a lot more accessories and they'll be a lot cheaper than what you guys see here. So do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A10e? It's now available at Cricket Wireless for $149.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget Samsung smartphone, the Galaxy A10e is worth checking out. Like I said, this is a budget phone. Specs on here are not too bad for what it is, a budget phone. So this would be great for a first phone for a kid, a backup phone or whatever. So the Galaxy A10e is a very nice phone. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It goes me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.